Hi friends, as the temperature has started dropping slowly, this almond spinach, which we call lal data shak, doesn't look very lively anymore and seeds are matured now, you can see. So it's time to collect the seeds. So let me take out the plants first. So first let it dry for few days. Then it's easier if you separate the seeds parts from the main stem to collect the seeds. I got, I think, 1 teaspoon of this amaranth seeds with 2 pound 50 pence, and I grew from that, and it's dying now because winter is approaching. But definitely for next year I need to collect those seeds so that I can grow again next year. So it's a simple, easy way. You can collect the seeds, but dry it after that. After collecting, dry it for 4-5 days. Then I can put in the airtight container, and you can use it next year as well. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.